At Hawks Learning, we developed grammar diagnostic tests that you can assign to your students within our platform. The assessments identify areas of weakness and assign students a custom set of homework lessons based on their individual needs. We created these diagnostic grammar tests for each of our 3 English titles: Foundations of English, English Composition, and we have 2 diagnostic assessments available for our English Composition with Integrated Review title. For this title, we have 1 assessment covering only the composition level grammar lessons, and we have a 2nd assessment covering only the review level grammar lessons. Since we created these assessments on your behalf, they require no additional work if you do decide to assign them within your Hawks course. Now let me show you what this assessment looks like from the student's perspective. Once you assign it, it will show up on the student's to-do list. You, as an instructor, can choose how many attempts the student has on the assessment, as well as if you want to require a time limit or not. Each assessment contains around 50 algorithmically generated grammar questions, meaning students will be tested on the same concepts and question types, but will not receive the exact same questions as their classmates. As an instructor, you also have the option to customize this test by adding or removing questions if you wish to do so. Question types include click to select, multiple choice, as well as click to insert. Students can see which questions they have answered, and they can easily navigate to unanswered questions by using the drop-down menu in the top left-hand corner. Once a student has finished, they can select Submit Assignment in order to view the results. We estimate the assessment will take students approximately 1 hour to complete. For demonstration purposes, I will open an example results page for a student who has completed the entire exam. After completing the assessment, students receive a comprehensive overview of their diagnostic test performance and even have the option to click the review button to review their test performance, where they will also receive error-specific feedback on wrong answers. Students will see a breakdown of their performance by lesson in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. They will automatically be given credit for any topics that they master, meaning if they reach a designated proficiency level for any lesson included on the assessment, then they are automatically placed out of having to complete the corresponding homework lesson. Students will see which lessons they did place out of right here in the middle of the screen. In this example, the student has placed out of 3 lessons. They can then click the to-do list button in order to see those results reflected on their to-do list. Here we're looking at the student's to-do list, and you can see that the 3 lessons that the student placed out of through that diagnostic assessment now appear in the done category at the bottom of their to-do list. The student is now able to focus time on the topics where they have not yet demonstrated proficiency.